Everybody, we're on deck 19 and we are checking out.
The Havana Suites.
And my husband has a strange beer.
Arch Pig. Pumpkin.
Yeah,
I've
ale.
Never tried this. Normally I do the Parch Pig IPAs, and I'm bummed out because you can't buy this on shore. You can only drink this on Carnival cruise ships, and all their beers are excellent.
So I welcome you all to the Mardi Gras. Do another walk around real quick, show you the little. So we haven't left port. It is about 3 o'clock, I believe.
3 o'clock exactly.
Yep, 3 o'clock exactly. And the ship will leave at 4. So after that, there will be no more lives. So we will get the information on how to reserve one if you're interested in reserving them.
Really? They're allowing us to check it out for free, but after 4 o'clock, we gotta get out.
There's no pool up here. Anyway,
What?
I said there's no pool up here.
Next deck down there is.
Yeah.
Those hot tubs right there with the glass, you can look out.
Yeah, that's. Oh, check that out. That's pretty.
Hot tubs, they're hot too. I could feel the heat coming up. I need that right now. I paid a dip in there for an hour.
So these are heated. It's a glass wall. Can't really see it from this end.
I can't.
My husband's trying to stick his hand through the glass.
It's nice.
You won't see children in these hot tubs. And then you have some more. You have the private shower.
Well, very good afternoon, Mardi Gras family. This is your cruise director, Jackie Tang. Just wanted to say a massive welcome on board the beautiful Mardi Gras. And now that you are on board, I'm sure you heard those many announcements out there in regards to our safety. Please make sure that you do go and attend your safety station, as this is mandatory for all guests to do so before we set sail. Now that you are on board, there's a lot of great things happening for everyone to enjoy from on board the ship and even outside. But how do you go about seeing and doing it all? Well, we have something which is called your Carnival Hub app. Now, this is your guidance on how you can really maximize your vacation when you're on board the ship and even outside. Contains all the information for what's happening on board with all the activities and events. You can even track your restaurant menu times, make your reservations as well, and see what amazing shore excursions are available for you. Now, speaking about shore excursions, we are going to some incredible places out there, and I want to make sure that you take advantage of it all. Make sure you head on over to the Carnival Adventures desk to see what amazing excursions are available for you, so you can really maximize your time outside. Just once again, a reminder to all our guests, please make sure that you do check into your side muster station, as it is mandatory for you to do so. Welcome aboard the beautiful Mardi Gras, folks. Once again, this is your cruise director, Jackie Tang, and remember, we'll see you upstairs for the Lido deck for our sail away party.
Got nice little trees, palm trees.
They left.
They're not far behind.
They left us to ourselves.
So, okay, please wait here for a tenant. Comfy cozies. Okay, Dave.
What?
You got deluxe bath towels, 49, beach towels, 22. Okay, one beach towel and one deluxe bath towel is 65, save $6. These are packages. Triple play package, 75, save $10. Ask for a stateroom attendant about these cruise comforts
Those are
available.
cruise souvenirs.
Or comfort, they call them comforts.
You have a bank account with 7 figures.
That rules me out.
Well, we'll sneak.
Well, no one's up there now. They let us walk around. Animal. Oh, so it's open only from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You need the wristband requirement. Children must be come by an adult. Well, can we walk that way?
Thought I did.
We were up top.
So I guess this is a Serenity deck.
Yeah, I guess so. Lovely chairs. Some more lounges. The adult pool.
Looks good.
Oh, he's got a 5 o'clock. His is different.
Sitting for my chair.
Robbie,
Hi, I'm Donna. Hi, how are you?
Donna?
Yes.
I like Donna. Thank you. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, it's been
o'clock
5
on
o'clock
Monday.
since like 2:30.
It is,
When we
yeah,
got on
you're
the
right.
ship.
Oh, yeah, right. I
You didn't
just
get on
thought he knew.
I know GMT.
I made sure their face wasn't on the.
Still filming.
Yeah, I'm gonna end about here for now. See you all soon.